Hey, welcome to section number 2 for the d sound. Now, in section number 1, I explained very simply how to make the sound by putting your tongue to the roof of your mouth and also focusing on your neck. But now I want to show you visually. So let me take you to my screen. Again, the d sound. Now, this sound, it's very important for you to understand how to make this sound. This sound really happens inside of your mouth. So we're going to draw the mouth like this. And I want you to envision your own mouth. Now we have the tongue, and this is where it gets very, very important. You see, right here, let me highlight it with a different color really quickly so you can see. This is where the sound is going to be made. Real quick, after me, the D sound. You notice that my tongue is behind my teeth because you can't see my tongue. So for the D sound, the tip of your tongue is on the roof of your mouth, just like we see here in this image. The roof of your mouth behind your teeth. And then secondly, it's kind of like your neck. The sound is coming from your neck. D, D, from your neck. So remember 1 and 2 right here. So again, for the D sound, tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth behind your teeth, and then focus on your neck. D. Make sense? Excellent. Now let's jump into some vocabulary words, some intermediate vocabulary words that use the D sound.